एज अ पेरेंट्स जब हम कॉन्स्टेंटली लेक्चर करते रहते हैं या कंपेयर करते रहते हैं या बच्चे की परफॉर्मेंस को जज करते रहते हैं, तो वो कभी कभी बैक फायर करता है. सो लेट मी टेल यू हाउ इट हैपन्स एंड व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. पहली चीज, आपका जो टीन है या आपका बच्चा है वो रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करता टू शेम एंड क्रिटिसिज्म. व्हेन यू शेम एंड क्रिटिसाइज देम, दे शट डाउन, and comparison make them to feel not enough, and long lecture make them turn out. They don't want to talk to you, they don't want to listen to you. Even if you are saying something logical, they don't listen to you, they shut their brain. So what will work better? You have to connect with your child first. Listen to understand, not just to respond. I have seen many parents, children will take out the word, immediately they start responding with the pre planned answers. So instead of saying, why can't you like your friend, or why can't you study like XYZ, or comparing your child, try to ask, what are the challenges you are facing so that we can help each other, and I will sit with you, I'll help with you, or how can I help you? You have to try and find out the way so that you can improve your child, whatever shortcomings are there, in a positive way by saying that how can I help you. And most important, you have to focus on small achievable guidance rather than endless lecture. When the child gain confidence, they can do any bigger things also. So you have to encourage the child effort, not the perfection. And this is very very important to understand. Many times we also miss things, but there are the scope to create rectify that. There is scope to change it. So when we are doing things with empathy and not criticizing, instead of comparison, we are giving support. Our children feel heard, they feel loved, they feel seen, they feel like someone is there in this world who loves me unconditionally. So try all these things, because if you keep on lecturing, definitely it will backfire you. So for more emotional smart parenting tips, you can follow me, you can subscribe me, you can take my membership. Thank you so much.